Hello everyone, you are all welcome to Gombe State Government Skills Acquisition Training. So today I'm going to show you how to design a wedding card. So first of all, you have to enter Chrome and type wedding card and download any background of your choice. As you can see, all these are the backgrounds. Then after you finish downloading, it will appear in your gallery. Then after you finish your downloading, then click on PicsArt. We will be using PicsArt for designing our photo wedding card. After I click on PicsArt, it will appear just like this. Then click on Start Editing. Click on See All. If you click on See All the pictures that are there in your gallery, it will appear. So as you can see, all these are my pictures. Then click on the picture that you have downloaded from Chrome. Here's the picture. Then let's start with our design. If you can observe very well, these icons that are at the bottom of the app, all these are icons that we use in designing our banners, posters, flyers, and everything. Let's click on Add Photo to add a photo into our design. I select that Abuja Mox. I'm going to click on Add. After I select, you see the photo has appeared. Then I'm going to change the shape of the picture. I'm going to choose the icon for the shape of the picture. Then I'm going to click on shape. Let me check. Yes, here's shape. Then I'm going to click on that circle. The circle is going to give us a better result. After I click on that circle, then click on that arrow at the top. You see, you change the shape of the picture. Then I'm going to place it at that side. For extra beautification, you can add shadow, you can add border and whatever. These ones are just for extra beautification. You can change the shape of the border. You can choose white, red, pink, or any color. Let's start our typing by clicking on text. If you click on text, it will take you to this place where you are going to type anything you want. So I'm going to start by typing the families of. After you finish your typing, you can choose any color of your text. You can choose white, you can choose black, red, or whatever. After you finish your typing, you can choose any font style. You can choose any. You can choose this one. I think let me select another one. Let me move again. Let me reverse. There is one font style that I think is better. It is there at the beginning. Let me check again. Okay, yes, I can use this font style. It is better. That Bunya is better. Let me adjust the font size. I'm going to click on text again to type another text. I'm going to click on text to type another text. So let me type another one. Let me write Alhaji Danjuma Madaki. This one is just, I'm giving you an example. It's just an example. I just type Alhaji Danjuma Madaki. So you can choose any color to be as the color of your text. You can choose red, pink, black, white, or any color. So after you finish your typing, then you can choose the font style. You can choose any one. You can see this Orbitron, this Cotive Mono, this Sigma one, Limelight. Let me use Limelight. Yes, Limelight. Yes, this Limelight is good. Yes. You can adjust the font size using your finger. Let me add an. If you like, you can zoom the background using your two fingers. Yes, you can zoom the background and change the position of the text. Let me click on text to add another write-up. Let me add Alhaji Tukur Maina. Yes, let me select the color. Yes, okay, let me change the font style. You see all this, they are font style. Let me use Limelight. Let me click on text to add another write-up. Let me type cordially invite dash dash. Let me write cordially invite dash 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 to the. Let me add wedding party. You see all these typings that I'm doing. Adjusting the font style, adjusting the font size, different font style, it is what we call typography. Let me add wedding party. Let me adjust the font size. Wedding party. Let me adjust the font size. Then to the wedding party of their children. This one I have to select a different font style of their children. So let me select a different font style. If you add 8 different texts into your design, it will show you something just like, let me show you. Yes, it is going to show you something like that. Limit for items reach. So it means you have added up to 8 different texts. So you have to click on that download at the top of your app, but don't click on that good arrow. Just click on that download, so it will save your design. So after you save your work, you can go back to your own gallery and see your work. Your work will appear in your gallery. You see, your work has already appeared in your gallery. Then you can click on it and continue with your work. If you want to change the position of your text, just click on that text. You will see 4 dots. 4 dots at left and right, then up and down. It means you have highlighted your text and you are about to change the position. If you want to add another text, just unhighlight that your text and add another text. Let me add another text. Aisha Tukuru. Let me add Aisha Tukuru Maina as the bright. Okay, let me change the font style. Let me adjust the font size. I use Limelight as my font style. I zoom it using my 2 fingers. Let me add another text by clicking on text. Let me add which will inshallah take place as follows. Let me change the color to black because I'm using black in this design. If you like, you can change any color, but me, I prefer to use black in this my design. For this text, let me select a different font style. We have Mission, we have Orbitron, we have Curve Mono, we have Sigma 1, we have Limelight, Average Sans, we have Monotone, we have Special Airlight. Another hand, let me use Average Sans. Average Sans is better in this text. While writing the date, the address and time in your design, if you can observe very well, at the top of your app, there is 4 straight lines at the top of your app. These 4 straight lines, they serve as margins. You know, in MS PowerPoint or MS Word, we used to have a place for margins to adjust your write-up. So you can use that 4 straight lines to adjust your write-up, either at the middle or at the left or at the center. Please, you have to take note of something. While writing the date, the address and time, I used to put comma at the end of the date, the address and time, if you can observe very well. So after you finish typing the date, put comma, then click on that blue arrow at the keyboard. After you finish typing your address, put comma and click on that blue arrow at the keyboard to separate the date, the address and your time. Click on that good arrow if you finish your typing. Then use your finger to adjust the font size. Use your finger to adjust the font size. Yes. Then use different font style. Adjust the font style by selecting the best font style. While adjusting the font style, don't click on that good at the top of your app. Don't click on that place because it will spoil your work. Let him select the best font style. I think this another hand is the best one for this date, address and time. Let him use this font style of another hand. Finally, we have finished designing our own photo wedding card. You can see all the steps are just straightforward. So after you finish your design, you can click on that download arrow, but don't click on that good arrow. It will spoil all your work. Just click on that download arrow.